Yasterd. I'm finna press on nails. So we finna get right into opening this up. First off the bat, we got this whatever. Now y'all already know how I feel about press on nails. So you come with this, I don't know where that comes from. So these are the 3 press-ons, and off the bat I'm noticing all 3 different packaging. You got 1 tip nail, 1 tip. That packaging is different, all of it's different. Let's turn to the back. Different overall, but they cute or whatever. They cute, but the packaging to me is just off. So we gonna first, I don't know what that's for. We gonna first get into this. We gonna see what all comes in here. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the beginning. I did want to try to do like real audio and all that, just so I don't have to come in and do a voiceover. But Lord behold, I was talking too low. But like I said in the beginning, if you heard, if you didn't, this is a PR from Yasterd. And if you haven't heard about Yasterd, you know, my acrylic nail brushes, that's where, you know, it come from, this company. And they did send me some press-on nails. Now y'all know how I feel about press-ons. But these are, you know, much more improvement. The cuticle area is, you know, a little decent. But my only pet peeve or whatever is the packaging. These it's not to pick on them or whatever, but if you are a brand who's marketing like your own personal press-ons, why is the packaging looking like you got them off Shein and trying to resell them? Or you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to be rude or nothing, but at least have your name on the packaging is all I'm saying. But overall, these are some cute ones. I decided to just pick out some random nail press-ons for me. If I want to go somewhere and just pop these on, of course, I can just do that. And plus, I got some colors that, you know, are kind of like, you know, red, black type of designs or whatever. And I also got a pink one. But overall, these, like, it's kind of inconsistent. Like I'm saying, like, you seen when I opened the package, the file was outside. I didn't know if that came in the package or not, but I think it did. Because two of the press-on sets did not come with a file. It just came with the glue, and the other one came with the sticky tabs and a little file. So I was confused about that. So it's just the inconsistent press-ons or whatever. So I don't know if they just bought these from somewhere else and just reselling them. But one thing I'm gonna recommend from Yasterd is their acrylic brushes. These press-ons, I'm not even a huge fan of them. But they have some cute press-ons on there, but that's the only thing I will say about them that I didn't too much like care for. I found it kind of weird because literally all 3 of the packages are different. None of them come with the same exact generic things. Like, we didn't even get a wooden cuticle pusher or none of that. So that's the only con or thing I would say they need to work on, especially if you're trying to push out, oh, we now offer press-ons. Like, if these are going to be your press-ons, I know everybody, well, they are kind of I would call it a big brand or something like that because they also on Amazon. But to get like the discount code that I have, which is Brianna, it says you 20% off plus free ship. You have to go on their main website. But like I was saying, I just found it kind of weird that all the packaging was literally not the same. But that's the only key to this. But overall, they're nice or whatever. But I definitely recommend the acrylic brushes. They're 100% Kolinsky, and also their nail art brushes. But I'm gonna let y'all continue watching this, and I'm just gonna leave my real audio in here. You know, I got a little some ASMR or whatever, but I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. See, maybe a middle finger type of thing. Where's the thumbs? Okay, this one fits sidewall to sidewall. Alright. These are cute. So that's that one. So overall, we got 3 press-ons. I would put one on, but we're gonna put this one on. I'm just gonna put this one on, and the other 2 is gonna be, I guess, in a giveaway or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna use my glue because it's already open or whatnot, but whatever. Just pick out some sizes. Okay, we got a little diamond. Let's see. A little ring action. That's too big, I guess. We can still use it. See. Let's go with a like a better finger. Talk about it. Alright, so let's just put these back in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on. Now I'm not prepping my nails, so it is what it is. I'm not caring about that. Okay, so alright. Okay. Cute. Alright, and we just gonna do a little shaping. That's a tad bit of shaping. These are what it's looking like. Very sturdy. Let's put us a little cuticle along here. And we finna head up out of here. A little cuticle. And that's that, guys. We got that. And then this is right here. Real cute, real cute. So, bye.